Good afternoon. I would like to add a few words about the nature of growth from the perspective of the life sciences. Growth is a central characteristic of life, but in nature growth is never linear and unlimited. While certain parts of organisms or ecosystems grow, others decline, releasing their components, recycling them, and thus providing resources for new growth. In our essay, we propose the term qualitative growth to describe this kind of balanced, multifaceted growth that is well known to biologists and ecologists. As an organism develops, it will grow according to its stages of development. A young organism will grow rapidly and then slow down, and this rapid initial growth is then always followed by slower growth, by maturation, and ultimately by decline, death, and decomposition. As living systems mature, their growth processes shift from quantitative to qualitative growth. And this concept of qualitative growth seems to fit very well with recent developments in science. At the forefront of science, there's a new emphasis on complexity, networks, and patterns of organization, all of which are qualities rather than quantities. When we study nature, we can see quite clearly that unlimited quantitative growth, as promoted so vigorously by economists and politicians, is unsustainable. A good example is the rapid growth of cancer cells, which does not recognize any limits and is not sustainable because when the host organism dies, the cancer cells too die. Similarly, unlimited quantitative economic growth on a finite planet cannot be sustained. Qualitative economic growth, by contrast, can be sustainable if it involves a dynamic balance between growth, decline, and recycling, and if it also includes organizational development in terms of learning and maturing. Thank you for your attention.